This study contributes to the knowledge base on the circular business model, CBM, by demonstrating its effectiveness in the manufacturing environment of ceramic tiles. Through the use of empirical data and tools from IoT and Industry 4.0 technologies, the study demonstrates the potential of eco-design tools and the circular business model in the tile manufacturing process. The paper suggests that a circular business model can be created through the evolution from a linear to a circular business model, thanks to the IoT and Industry 4.0 technologies.
This article is titled, Identifying the Equilibrium Point Between Sustainability Goals and Circular Economy Practices, in an Industry 4.0 manufacturing context using eco-design, and was authored by Fernando Garcia-Muiña, Rocío González-Sánchez, Ana Maria Ferrari, Lucrezia Volpi, Martina Pini, Cristina Siligardi, and Davide Settembre-Blundo.
We are article.tv. Article links can be found in the video description.